Sweet Home Alabama.
Shut up, Glenn. Watch this.
Oh my god, there's a wasp! Ah.
Hit it. Oh, there's a doggy.
My neighbor's doggies.
I hit it.
Yeah, my turn.
I gotta show the doggies.
I gotta shoot the doggies. You gotta shoot the doggies.
No, you can't. Do the improvise. Dylan? No.
That's Glenn. He smells bad.
Shut up.
Look at his armpit hair. He missed. He sucks.
Shut up.
My nose scoped. Oh, this is so dumb. Why are we shooting so close? The barn is so bright.
We're forever grateful.
You saved our lives, so we are eternally grateful. My dad's out here. Just ninja like that. I don't know, like 12?
I hit it.
I don't know. I was talking to my dad.
What? I feel good.
No?